What if the work that eats your entire week, writing the posts, chasing the leads, scheduling everything, fixing what broke, got done overnight while you slept, without you lifting a finger? Not a tool you have to babysit, not another dashboard with 40 buttons, something that just runs your business in the background. In 2026, that is not a fantasy anymore. It is the single biggest shift happening for solo founders right now, and most people have not caught up to it yet. Welcome back to Venture Void, where we break down the exact tools and systems solo founders are using to build real income without a big team or a big budget. If you are new here, subscribe. We drop new breakdowns every week. Today we are going deep on AI agents, and specifically the one capability that changes everything. Software that does not wait for you to tell it what to do. Here is the problem. If you run a one-person business, you already know the trap. You are not short on ideas. You are short on hours. Every revenue-generating task, the content, the outreach, the customer follow-up, competes for the same 24 hours, and you are the bottleneck for all of it. Most automation tools did not fix this. They just gave you more switches to flip. You still had to trigger them, watch them, and clean up after them. That is not leverage. That is a second job. The shift in 2026 is the AI agent. The difference is simple but massive. An automation waits for a trigger. An agent works toward a goal. You do not tell it to post this at 9 in the morning. You tell it to grow your audience, and it figures out the trending topics, writes the content, schedules it, watches what performs, and adjusts on its own. Your sales agent qualifies the leads that come in, books the calls, and nurtures the ones that are not ready yet. Your operations agent answers the repetitive questions and flags only the ones that actually need you. It runs while you sleep. You wake up to work that is already done. So what does this actually replace? Be honest about it, because that is where the money is. For a solo founder, this is the equivalent of a marketing coordinator, a virtual assistant, and a customer support rep. Roles that would run you $4,000 to $8,000 a month combined. Tools that save a founder 10 to 15 hours a week translate to roughly $1,000 to $3,000 a month in recovered productive time. You are not buying software. You are buying back the hours you were spending on work that never needed a human in the first place. Now the catch, because there is always one. An agent is only as good as the instructions and the guardrails you give it. Point it at the wrong goal, and it will pursue the wrong thing efficiently. You still have to define what good looks like, review the output early on, and keep a human hand on anything that touches money or your reputation. These agents do not remove you from the business. They remove you from the busy work. The founders winning with this treat the agent like a new hire they are training. Clear direction first, autonomy second. The ones who fail just turn it on and walk away. If you take one thing from this, the leverage is not in doing more. It is in building a system that does the work without you in the loop. That is how one person competes with a team now. Subscribe to Venture Void and we will keep handing you the exact tools and systems to build it, one step at a time. Drop a comment telling me which part of your business you would hand to an agent first. I read everyone. See you in the next one.